Hello everyone, this is Timmy and I welcome you to Timmy-Crypto. As you all know what we do on this channel, we talk about crypto and we bring to you latest and legit crypto updates, means of earning crypto for free without spending a dime. Today we'll be looking into a website that will be giving us free Pepe Coin without spending a dime, just for free. What you just have to do is to mine the free Pepe Coin and withdraw. So let's head over to the website. As you all know how we do on this channel, before we opt into any website, firstly we make sure we have a proof of withdrawal. So let me log in and make a withdrawal, and let's see if it really pay before we can access the site. Click on get started. So as you can see, on my balance I'm having 128 Pepe Coin. So I will be withdrawing this to confirm if the website is still paying. So click on it. As you can see, it's telling us paid. So let me head over to my wallet and see if it truly drops. So as you can see, this is it, 128.3 Pepe Coin. So the website is still legit and it's still paying. So now that we have a proof of withdrawal, let's head over to the site and see what we can benefit from the site. So this is it. This is the interface. I will be dropping the link to the site under the description box. So what you just have to do is to go there, click on the link, and you will be redirected to this page of the site. So after that, what you have to do is to click on get started. Then you input your faucet pay email. For you that did not have faucet pay account, I'll be dropping the link to create a faucet pay account under the description box also. All you just have to do is to click on the link, set up your account. It's very easy to set up. Then bring your faucet email, input it here, then click on start mining. Input your email, then click on start mining. Then the website will bring up a captcha for you to complete. What you have to do is to check in the box. It will redirect you straight to the website. So very easy. And how you will be benefiting from this site, every day you will be having the opportunity to earn 37 Pepe Coin for free without spending a dime. So as you can see, I just made a withdrawal of 128 Pepe Coin because I did not make any withdrawal yesterday. So that's it. And also, if you are good at referring, when you refer, you'll be earning 7% of your referral commission on this site. So anybody you refer, you will be seeing it here. As for me, as at now I'm having 0 referral. So that's for that. So also you can deposit on this site, but we are not promoting depositing because all we do on this site is to bring out free updates, totally free updates. So as you can see, I haven't made any deposit, and I've made at least, let me take you to the withdrawals and let you see the number of withdrawals that I've made from this site, from this website. Let's see if I can see it. This is the withdrawal history. As you can see, I've made that's 1 2 3 4 5. That's up to 5 withdrawals without any deposit. So that's for that. But all they let us understand is that you can boost up your earning by depositing and buying Pepe. So the mining power here is Pepe. So, and the minimum you can buy here is 1000 Pepe. So that's that for that. We are not going to talk much on that because that's not what we are here for. What we are here for is to earn free Pepe Coin. So that's that. To push up your earning, try to refer. The higher your referral, the more your earning. So please do well to like, subscribe, share, so that this video can go around and reach out to the numbers of people that are willing to see this type of updates, so that they can also benefit same way you benefit from it. Thank you for watching. Do well to like and subscribe and turn on this notification bell, so that when we'll be dropping another update, you can get it as fast as possible. And do well to join our Telegram channel so that you can get fast updates before it gets to YouTube. Thank you, and I wish you peace.